In this video, we're going to show you how to set up email marketing with Klaviyo on Shopify. Email marketing is one of the highest ROI channels for e-commerce. With Klaviyo, you can automatically collect customer data from Shopify, build targeted email lists, and create powerful automated flows like welcome emails, abandoned cart recovery, and post-purchase follow-ups. When properly set up, Klaviyo turns your Shopify store into a fully automated marketing system that continuously nurtures and converts customers. The good news is that integrating Klaviyo with Shopify is straightforward and requires only a few configuration steps. By the end of this video, you'll know how to connect Klaviyo to Shopify, sync your customer data, and set up your first email campaigns and automations. So let's get started. The first method is to install Klaviyo from the Shopify App Store. Log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to Apps, then open the Shopify App Store. Search for Klaviyo and click Install. After installation, you'll be prompted to either create a Klaviyo account or log into your existing account. Once logged in, connect Klaviyo to your Shopify store by authorizing the integration. This allows Klaviyo to access important store data such as customers, orders, and product activity. Next, configure your data sync settings. Make sure Shopify Data Sync is enabled so that customer profiles, purchase history, and browsing activity are automatically imported into Klaviyo. This data is essential for building segmented email lists and automated flows. Then, set up your main email list. Create a default subscriber list for newsletter signups collected from your Shopify store. You can also create separate segments for different customer types such as new customers, repeat buyers, or high-value shoppers. After that, set up your essential automation flows. Start with the most important ones: a welcome series for new subscribers, an abandoned cart flow for recovering lost sales, and a post-purchase flow for improving customer retention. Klaviyo provides ready-made templates for these flows, which you can customize based on your brand tone and offers. Next, integrate sign-up forms into your Shopify store. You can add pop-ups, embedded forms, or footer sign-up sections using Klaviyo's Form Builder. Make sure your forms are simple, mobile-friendly, and offer a clear incentive such as a discount or free shipping. Finally, test your integration. Subscribe using a test email and confirm that the contact appears in Klaviyo. Then place a test order in Shopify to ensure purchase data is being tracked correctly and flows are triggering as expected. In most situations, these steps are enough to fully set up Klaviyo email marketing on Shopify. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, install and connect Klaviyo to your Shopify store. Second, enable data syncing and organize your email lists. And third, set up automated flows and test your campaigns. Remember that successful email marketing is built on strong data, proper segmentation, and well-timed automation. With Klaviyo and Shopify working together, you can turn one-time buyers into long-term customers and significantly increase your store's revenue. And that's how to set up email marketing with Klaviyo on Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify feature you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.